Protective styles like braids, locks, and wigs offer incredible versatility and keep your natural hair shielded from daily wear and tear. But beneath that tight, secure tension, a completely sealed environment forms, trapping your body heat and sweat directly against the skin. In this cross-section of the scalp and synthetic extension, sweat acts as a catalyst, dissolving hidden lead, phthalates, and formaldehyde. The absorbent scalp provides a direct pathway for these toxins to penetrate the skin, actively accumulating over an 8-week wear cycle. To stop that accumulation, we need a complete reset to extract the buildup of the source, and we need to do it without taking the style down. This chart compares your options. A traditional salon detox requires an appointment and costs up to $150. The ToxiTress system removes the same buildup at home in under 90 minutes for less than $20 a session. True hair health means clearing away that invisible chemical load. You can achieve that without dismantling your install or draining your bank account. Let's begin the protocol. You have your protective style installed, and your ToxiTress Complete Kit is ready to go. The primary rule for this entire operation is simple. Your style is never taken down. Every step is performed directly through your existing braids, locks, or extensions. Step 1 is the pre-cleanse, utilizing the PURIFY Oil Elixir. Apply exactly 3 to 6 drops straight to your scalp, massaging it gently into the exposed parts between your hair. Resist the urge to saturate your roots. The elixir spreads easily, and those few drops are completely sufficient. Now, set a timer and let the oil sit for 30 to 60 minutes. During this window, the elixir forms a protective barrier over your natural oils, while simultaneously breaking down the stubborn, oil-based synthetic coatings trapped at the root. Step 2 is the extraction. Grab your Extract Mineral Cleanse Tower. Slowly combine 1 to 2 tablespoons of the powder with an equal amount of water or apple cider vinegar. Keep stirring until you reach a smooth, yogurt-like consistency, free of any dry clumps. Using your applicator tools, glide the paste directly onto your scalp, navigating cleanly between your cornrows or sections. Let this application sit for exactly 10 to 15 minutes. The bentonite, kaolin, and charcoal blend creates a porous matrix that physically locks onto heavy metals and product residue. But watch the clock. If the clay dries and cracks, it pulls vital moisture directly out of your skin. To prevent extreme dryness, you must begin washing the paste out while it is still malleable. A true detox doesn't rely on aggressive surface scrubbing. It works by chemically binding deep-rooted impurities and pulling them away before your body has the chance to absorb them. Step 3 is the reset. Flush your scalp thoroughly with lukewarm water until the runoff runs completely clear. Because the clay has already bound the toxins, the water easily carries them away, leaving the tension of your style intact without creating excess frizz. Now we apply the final required step, the Restore Botanical Infusion. Mix a small amount of the infusion with water, apply it lightly across your scalp, and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. If you prefer a premium finish, you can lock in the results by spritzing the Velvet Clean Mist from 6 to 10 inches away. Returning the scalp to a neutral pH and neutralizing the underlying inflammation guarantees long-term comfort and stops the cycle of chronic itching at the source. Look at the foundation now. The scalp is completely clear of flakes and chemical residue, while the original install remains flawless. You have just eliminated weeks of toxic buildup and odor, completed the process in under 90 minutes, and spent less than $20. To maintain this environment, repeat this exact protocol every 3 to 4 weeks. You can acquire your own ToxiTress Complete Kit by following the link in the description. Professional-grade scalp health is achieved by taking proactive control of your foundation before the install. Preparation prevents the cycle of irritation from ever taking root.